Hello everyone, this is chocolate Taisan. Taisan is a Filipino chiffon cake that's super soft, light, moist, and fluffy. Let's begin! In a medium bowl, combine 6 egg yolks and 1/4 cup sugar. Beat until color turns pale yellow. Add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 90 ml fresh milk, and 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Beat until combined and sugar is fully dissolved. In a large mixing bowl, sift together 1 cup cake flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Stir to combine. Make a well at the center and pour the liquid ingredients. Whisk until just combined. Do not overmix. In a separate bowl, add 6 large egg whites and beat until frothy. Add 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar and beat until foamy. Gradually add 1/2 cup sugar and beat until stiff peaks form. Gradually add the meringue into the cake batter and fold until fully incorporated. Do not overmix. Divide the cake batter equally into 2 angreased 9x5 loaf pans with bottom lined with parchment paper. Tap the pan to remove air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 F 176C for about 30 minutes, or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let cool completely before removing from the pan. Loosen the edges using a spatula and invert to remove the parchment paper. Spread melted butter on top and sprinkle with white sugar. Top with grated cheese if desired. Let me give you some tips. Do not use all-purpose flour. Chiffon cakes require cake flour together with the meringue in order to achieve the spongy and airy cake texture. Do not overbake and always check before the set time. Cake will become dry if overbaked. There's no need to grease the pan. You can line the whole pan with parchment paper or just the bottom like I did here. I find greasing the pan gives a deflated cake. I hope these tips help. Enjoy! More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.